Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Convert 470 mm Hg to ATM. Correct answer is to convert 470 mm Hg to ATM, we use the conversion factor of 1 ATM equals 760 mm Hg. So first set up a proportion 470 mm Hg, 1 ATM by 760 mm Hg equal x ATM. Solving for x equal 470 by 760 ATM, x equal 0 cents for 0.6184 ATM. Therefore 470 mm Hg is equivalent to approximately 0.6184 ATM.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.